Okay. Power on. And... what's it doing? It ain't working, that's a fact. It's working now. Well, it don't look like it, but it is. Watch, watch. There you go, see? And all I did was take this wire out and put it back in again. Try it again and la, it's on. La. Anyway, good afternoon. I'm kind of giddy. I've had a better day today than I did yesterday, as you can tell. And look, that bright orangey ball thing's back again, so it's lit up all that sky. Somebody's going to have to tell me one day what that actually is. I saw it a lot in LA and I just could not figure out what it was. Anyway, me being mega lazy again, I was intending to go running this afternoon. Yeah, I'm letting that slide. I've decided I'm going to watch some YouTube videos because I need to catch up. I'm like at, well, at the moment I have 67 videos in my watching later category. How many more I don't know I'm going to be putting in now, but we'll see, or I will see. No need to go on about that. But what I can tell you is I've just been to the pictures, not to see a film yet. I bought the ticket. I'm going to see Cloud Atlas tonight with my friend Martin. I have been waiting for this film for what, 3-4 months, and according to our Tony, and I think Trin also said it's great or it's fantastic. We'll see. I'll see. Oh, all you got to get those done. Ain't done. By the way, I've decided I'm going to stop taking these because ever since I started eating them, I've been nothing but ill. Last month I had the flu, then I've had the cold this month. And just as that was going, I started with this throat infection. I don't know, they're just not doing anything, so I'm just going to stop eating them. Because they taste horrible. Yeah. Really? I don't know if you heard any of that, but I'm just sat here watching, annotating my vlog from yesterday. My stomach is making the most incredible gurgling noises because it's hungry. Well, it is tea time, so I'm going to have some food and watch Friday the 13th, the final chapter. Which it isn't, because there's another 7 more after that. And is it me or is my voice going? Blooming orange light. And it's gone dark again. I know it's been a while since I talked to you because I've watched that film and I've finished editing Smegchris for this week. And it's only Thursday. I'm going to render it on Saturday instead of now because I'm going to go out now. And my voice is definitely going. It's alright for you lot, you don't have to put up with it. But can you imagine me not having no voice? I'd have to do a silent vlog. How would that work? Anyway, cinema time. Well kiddies, because I'm going to the cinema and the fact that I could be losing my voice, I'm going to end the video now. By the time I get home it'll be after midnight, I'm assuming, and I'll just want to go straight to bed. I don't want to be finishing the video then. And I'm not going to tell you anything about the film or whether I liked it or not, because, you know, I like to do that on a review. This light's a lot better, isn't it? It's not amber or orange or yellow. Oh, wait, no, it's trying it. Not really. I'm going to go. Until tomorrow, where I'm into my 3rd month of daily vlogging. February is finished today. Wow. I've been at it 2 months vlogging. Not anything else. Don't get dirty. I'm going. Until tomorrow, peace out. I keep doing that with my teeth.